Welcome back, guys, to the Northern Arizona Outlaw channel. I'm giving you guys kind of a quick video on what I'm going to do. You guys haven't seen this car on the channel yet because it's been kind of back and forth if it wants to go down the road. But about a 2002 Mustang GT back in February, and it runs good, drives good. I've done some stuff to it that didn't make it ride good, parked it for a while, hated it. And so finally I've been driving it the past couple days and want to give you guys kind of a just quick rundown what it is, pretty much. So, but first and foremost is it's a regular GT with a 5-speed, and we'll walk over here to it because I was all the way on the other end of the property. And so let me get over here real fast. And there. And it's really nothing special, but has had some stuff done to it when I bought it. It has full off-road X-pipe, Flowmasters, which there's not much left of the Flowmaster. I think it's straight pipe at this point. But as of right now, has the regular GT bumper with the Mach 1 splitter and a few odds and ends of things. See, it's still open. Race seat, harness. Don't mind the squeak. But I've added some stuff to it. Everything in the engine bay was pretty much stock, except for I had a cold air intake. But I added the strut brace, and I added the teal hoses, the aluminum reservoirs and stuff like that. But other than that, it's pretty much stock. But it runs good. It's no speed demon, but it's fun to drive, and that's all that counts, right? But I know there's a lot of things on there that I want to change, but it costs too much. Like the front bumper, I wanted a different front bumper. Everyone has the Cobra bumper. My buddy Travis, you've seen his on the channel. The build that he's doing, he's got a Cobra bumper. His brother's New Edge has the Cobra bumper, and everyone just seems to do it. And it's a good looking bumper, don't get me wrong, but I want something different. And so I was like, man, what if I did like a Roush bumper? I was like, okay. So I looked at it, wanted to see if it was something that I liked, and it does look good if you do it right, but they're really expensive. They're like $1,000 brand new, and I picked this up for $200, just the way it is. Broken fog light on one side, but I'm gonna change those anyway to different ones. But I need to prep it, get all the crap off of it, and get it ready to paint. That's kind of gonna be my next video, but I wanted to at least show you guys the car because you guys have yet to see it, and so I wanted to get down. And how I got that front bumper was kind of a funny story because I ended up getting another car, but don't mind the mess. But walk back here. There's the Jeep. It has yet to leave the trailer from the camping because I got other projects. I have other stuff to do. That's the donut car. That's what the front bumper came off of. The kid was doing a lot of work to it. He was gonna make it a drag car and gave up on it, and I got a good deal on just the whole freaking chassis. The motor is yonder, covered up, but this thing was already completely gutted, and it has potential, but I think I'm just gonna get rid of it as a shell. But it had some straight pieces. That bumper was one of them. And the other thing I'm going to take off of this is the rear deck lid. Except for the stickers. The stickers are going away. But it's got a cool molded duckbill. And I have yet to see one like that. And I know it's molded because it's starting to crack. So I'm going to fix all that. And I'm going to put this deck lid on that black car because I have yet to see another one that has that same dovetail, Jesus. So, but it's kind of a shame. Like, this is what the inside of the car looks like now. It's all literally just gutted to nothing. And I mean, there's some good parts in here. The bumper's trash. It was mangled on one side, but there's good components to make. It's a parts car. That's what it is. There's no way around it. It's a parts car at this point. If someone wanted to take the time in to do a complete drag build, which someone started, they put the rear lower drag control arms in, and they did body braces underneath. And we found that out because we tried to load it up on the trailer, and the body braces hit the freaking trailer, this trailer. So we had to jack the car up from the back end to make it work. But there's the Jeep. Didn't get very far. But figured I'd give you guys a quick rundown on what this build's going to be like, because I'm trying to make it to Fuel Fest. If it doesn't look good, I don't really care. It's a lot of fun to do. I'm not there to basically have the number one car there. You know, there's cars there that are way better than what I have, and you know, they're nice, but I just go for the fun. So this quick video is basically just going to be the showing of that Mustang, because you guys haven't seen it yet. So I wanted to show you guys a quick preview of what's been done to it. That one of exhaust video that you guys saw earlier that I posted a couple days ago, that's that car right there. So it sounds good. It's got a 5-speed manual, but it no longer has the factory 2-valve 4.6 in it. It has been swapped with a Lincoln 4.6. So, because the car was hitting the front end, and the mix of that, they either blew the motor up or did something to it, and they swapped it with a Lincoln motor. So, but trying to basically get it all together to get it ready for Fuel Fest. But that bumper is my first one, my first priority of which one I want to do first, and that bumper is my first priority to do to the front end of that car. So I'm gonna get you guys some prep videos, prep it all off, get the Plasta dip that's on it off, and spray it and mount it and see how it looks. You know, you won't know until you try it, right? And then once you get the front bumper, then it'll be the deck lid, and then I have to fix the rocker panel on the bottom, because I have I don't know if it's from the wreck or if it's just I hear the sound of my people. Just kidding. There's no fitment to this body whatsoever. Like, the fitment sucks on this car. But all in all, it's a good car to basically have fun in. I mean, if you're a car person, you want an inexpensive muscle car. If you're into Fords, that new Edge 99 to 04 is a good bang for your buck. You get the V8, the 5-speed if you want it, and it's got a lot of power and no weight. That car weighs nothing. But that's pretty much what's going to be on this next couple videos, is trying to get that car ready, because the Jeep, I got to tear the front diff off because I think it broke a locker, or someone welded it and I broke the welds on it. So either way. And this truck is still here. It still runs and drives. I just hardly ever drive it. But I have too many vehicles. And, well, I guess you can never say you have too many vehicles, but I have so many that I forget about one and it gets stashed in the corner, like that one does. See? All the way in the corner. So, well, that's it on this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on that 2002 Mustang, and next video is going to be the prep on that front bumper. So hopefully we can get this all rocking and rolling and have a different style new Edge up here on the mountain, because there's quite a few of them up on the mountain. But Roush front bumper, there's one that I've seen up here. The rest of the car is all stock, but no one has that deck lid. Never seen one with that deck lid. So, all right, guys. Well, hopefully you guys like, subscribe. If you like what you see, you know, keep on watching our videos and just have a good time. And you guys just be safe, because if you're into the stuff that we do, you definitely can get into a lot of trouble. So you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.